Hey everyone, so it's Memorial Day weekend, and I've got a great side dish idea to serve at your Memorial Day cookout, or any cookout this summer: curried chicken salad. Now, it's believed that chicken salad dates back to colonial times, and it was first popularized by its German settlers. A version of chicken salad was included in an 1845 cookbook called Directions for Cookery and Its Various Branches by Eliza Leslie. Its growth in popularity really spiked, however, in 1863, when it was first served at town meets in Wakefield, Rhode Island, by its founder, Liam Gray. He mixed together chicken, mayonnaise, tarragon, and grapes. And this item was so popular that he turned his meat market into a delicatessen. Alright, let's cook. Okay, so for starters here, I'm just going to be roasting off the chicken. And I'm just going to be putting a little bit of salt and pepper on the chicken. I got my oven set to 400. I'll cook this for like about 10 to 15 minutes, just till I know that it's done. We're temping at 165 Fahrenheit. Okay, so I just pulled it out of the oven. Next step's going to be shredding up the chicken and letting it cool before adding the rest of the ingredients. Let's do the dressing next. We're going to start out with a half a cup of mayo, quarter cup of Greek yogurt, half of a lemon juiced, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of honey. And we're going to finish off a little bit of salt and some pepper. Next, we're going to get the chicken mixed together. So I went ahead and cut up the chicken, celery, shredded carrots, raisins, cilantro, and toasted cashews. So, only thing left to do is to add the dressing. And I'm going to add a little bit at a time. Mix it just so I can control just how wet the mix is. And that's it. Thanks for watching.